Hello, I thought I'd take a look at some houses, that 3D printed houses that are going onto the website soon at paintandglue.co.uk. And this is a set from a recently purchased Kickstarter. A chap called Paul Deeming, who provides a lot of my buildings. And I just managed to find some time to paint these up in the last couple of weeks, and really pleased with them. And they're going on the website fairly soon, so I thought we'd have a quick look at them. It's a set of modular housing, terraced housing, and we start with a corner shop, and then we've got a row of terraced houses, and you can have as many as you want. They just butt up against each other. There we go. And then end with a corner house which kind of tapers off. And then on the other side, similarly, I've just got one terraced house and then the end. So lovely set, modular, so you can expand it how you want. This is how they come out. Well, it's been undercoated, spray painted. So this is one of the terraces, and it's 3 parts. So it does actually come with an internal floor and internal walls upstairs if you want them as well. But I've not put those in. They're in a box somewhere. So you get the ground floor with the stairs. You will just about get some minis in there, and the top floor. And again, if you've got soldiers inside, you can have them at the windows and see them. And then a roof. Let's see if I can work my way around the back. There we go. So you've got I've got the floors the wrong way around, so let's quickly correct that. There, that's better. Incidentally, the chimney stacks are broken off, a couple of them. That's because I had them piled up precariously in the printing room and kicked them all over. So nice looking set there. I'm quite pleased with the painting of it. Just used Wilco's spray undercoat, and then painted in Vallejo various greys, and then added a bit of highlight with the green and the whole red, and then doors. So that's my set of modular terraced housing. Should be available on the website soon. Thanks for watching.